Hey there, it's Marianne from Thrive Admin Services, and in today's video, I'm going to answer the question that I'm sure you've had at some point because it's one I get asked about a lot. What is SharePoint? Where is it? What does it do? So let's jump in and have a look. So let's start with finding SharePoint. So here we are on the main Microsoft 365 page. So I've headed to office.com in my web browser. I'm working on a PC and I'm using Google Chrome. If you're working on a Mac, or if you're working with a different web browser, this will be exactly the same process for you. To access SharePoint, once you're logged in using your Microsoft 365 login, we head to the App Launcher, which are these 9 dots up in the top corner here. And you click it and you'll see all of the apps you have access to, and you'll find SharePoint here like this. So we click on that one and it's opened it up in a new tab. So this will take you to your SharePoint homepage. SharePoint is a really powerful tool, and if you're working with Microsoft 365 for your file storage and collaboration, then you can think of SharePoint as that digital filing cabinet. And it's more than just a storage solution though. Now, SharePoint is designed for collaboration, and there are two main ways we can do that. We can create a team site or a communication site, and each one has a slightly different function and purpose. So let's dive briefly into what that is so that you can make the best decisions going. Now, a team site, like this one on your screen, is perfect for a team. It's built for collaboration where you can store files, organize tasks, and even manage a calendar. And everything here is meant to keep the team connected and in sync and working with the same information. On the other hand, a communication site like this one is ideal for sharing information across your organization or with a group of people, especially when you need to get that information out to a much broader audience. It's like a news board or a bulletin where those important updates live. You're using it to collaborate on documents or to communicate with your team, SharePoint is a one-stop shop for organizing and managing your information. One last thing, SharePoint has a super powerful search tool. So if you are ever lost in the sea of files as your site grows and starts to contain a lot more information, this is a really powerful tool for you to be able to find what you need when you need it. So there you have it, SharePoint in a nutshell. Now you know where to find it and what it can do. If this has made you curious, why not jump in and have a go for yourself? Nothing is unfixable. And don't worry, there are more SharePoint videos on my channel to help you get more out of this amazing collaboration tool. Be sure to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to my channel to receive the latest Microsoft 365 tips and tricks to help you manage your workload in a much easier way. I'll see you next time.